The Office US. Tinker, I'm sorry. What can I do to make this more interesting? Oh. Hold on. Let me see if I can do this. Let's see.
Next time you see me, I will be working for corporate.
I can do it.
It's so easy to do.
Shut up, Bob. You do it. You're like this, Bob.
No, I'm not.
Bob, you're rolling your hand
No,
like...
I'm not. I'm going
yes,
like this.
you were.
I was not rolling my hand.
Yes, you were.
No, I was not. I know what I'm doing. Go up and down. Up
Dude,
and down,
no, Bob,
up
you were
and down.
going like this.
Get off me, dude.
That was interesting. Someone's probably gonna make me a highlight of me doing that, and I'm gonna look like a retard.